menangis sian ni. Nobody's holding you anymore. Nobody's holding you. Okay. Jadi mangga kami guys. Swimming, swimming. Swimming.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Boleh oh my god yung kong dyan. Okay. No. Careful. Lagi ni kali tayo po. Ayat. Sini na to. Oh, it's very deep there. It's deep there. Ay. Orang. Sayang Kayla. Kayla's favorite ko.
Jalan yang selesai.
No, it's just bangos ako. It's just milkfish. It will not hurt you. Okay, you got scared? Wow!
Atong dato tanong na.
Dito lang.
Ito na ay tabi ay.
They're all jumping.
Ay. Mami just po.
Okay, gabay daw lang ka na. Go.
Laya.
Oy, katuloy.
Oy, sandali.
Oy.
Oy. Kung wala mo isig. Hindi mo kuya to. Oh no, somebody's crawling on our feet. No. Just the grass. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Basketball is that. Okay. Here's the basketball. She will bring you clothes. I will touch it first. Okay.
Oh, just be careful.
Oh, they're jumping. I will drop the fish away.
Dan si Lola.
Makakibig lang.
Oh my god.
Oh my God. Makakibig ka lang, ha?
I told you.
Malalim dyan, Ma.
You see where you like? Come.
Luto yung Lola?
Lagot.
Naka-ready na ba siya? Magpalit mo na kaya?
Oh, remove your slipper.
Inulubog yan.
Hanggang dito lang, pwede naman. Pati si
Oh.
Baka tumalon, Ma. Wag na lang.
Oh, no.
You can stay up to here. You also, KK. Yeah, so
many fish.
Where all?
Yang bawas lah ya. Ah? Oh, you will change. Come on, to atin. Be careful.
Oh no, the fish. Somebody jump. I get
My jump there.
Oh, that's the fish.
You finish your food.
I'll catch the
You
fish.
finish your food.
You know how to catch the fish?
Yes.
Ah, ni mami, kukuhati lang.
Okay, no.
Your shorts is white.
You will
have to
change
that
yet?
one.
You change. You tell na
I
ne.
wanna
Nandun sila
change.
kumakain eh.
Hitang tulatan.
May tumalon dun, oh.
Napaalis.
We wait for Atpin eh.
Wait for Ate.
I'm
She
on
will
my
bring your clothes.
What?
My food.
I will. But it's crawling on our feet. No, just the grass. Hey, look at that. Look at that. Wow. basketball siya sa basketball in the... Yeah, the fish. Look at the fish. Ay, kurang. Sayang, Kayla. Kayla's favorite.
Kani yung untilaya, taga Binmalaya mo.
Oh, taga Binmalaya. Ayan sa taga Binmalay. Oh, I like it. Okay, Bog. Pakimuma lang eh. Ayak. Ang ikayin doon tan. Yagi say mayroon mo undusong mo ang napaking ka. Undusong kayo ka.
Careful.
Come.
Baok kita rin talara.
Oh, be careful.
Tunak-tunak ng baik ka. Mamigas mo.
Abay, gabay daw lang ang kalaro.
Si Katumal.
Oy, sandali. Oy. Bumala mo yung sik. Oh my God.
Tinsod.
Aburido la, palasan nyo lahat ni aburido la.
Ay.
Macau na.
Palusong mo
Ay,
siya
nasatan.
na.
Sapay.
Ay,
birang pa yan.
Oh, palusong mo na. Halika na. Come to Lola. Oh, aman ay, bumbunan mo man. Tama-tamaman.
Bibiram. Basta bibiram na ba?
Bibiram na ba? Okay. You catch the fish. Oh, go down. You're jumping. They're all jumping. Nobody's holding you. Jumping fish, ne? Look, look. It's still alive. It's bangot. Stay there. Andita, hindi tayo tambulan. I like it. Kung ano yung ginawa itong swimming pool, I like it. Ginawa itong swimming pool. Ginawa itong swimming pool. I like it. Oh my God. Wala yung may ganyan yung gagya. No.
Dinala niyo sana si hindi delikado dito.
Si Mami.
Tayong ano, i-video natin sila.
So cute. Small. Let's go. Pwede pang lumaki to.
Ay!
Drink water? Yes. Oh no, you're taga Binmalaya. You've been baptized. Wow! Abong gatulog ka nung Hula, hula. Yes! Oh, there is bangus already. Go. Let's see the fish up there. You walk. Ay, again. There, it's. Ay, dinala na mo si Lola.
Walay abinyagan. Walay abinyagan.
Ha?
Doon sa may ano daw. Oh, hindi ka na po inabat siya.
They're going to put it there.
Come here, let's see, let's see.
Let's see. You want to swim? You want to swim?
Buong araw kayo dyan. Buong araw kayo dyan.
You want to swim? You're almost done.
Baby.
Kaya. Matik kayo.
Okay, swim.
Agak pemberan niya siya.
Mari ka talaga.
Zik! Agay, Diyos ko! Zik! Zik!
Don't go inside.
They're coming again eh.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Go on, go
Come
on.
on, let's see the fish there. There, up, up.
Baby.
You want to swim?
Bantay ka ni Lolo, Arlan.
You want to swim? Kiki Bear? Where's Kiki? Sino magdadala kay Kiki? Kay, ano? Deep there. Kagapit mali ka. Kiki, this is not swimming pool. This is fish pond. Oh, come Miguel, come. Come, come. Kagapit mali yan to ah.
Ito na nga ito kaya.
I let her go. Be careful, it's deep down there. Kaya tamanga kayo lugaw, ha? Tamanga kayo lugaw. Sige, magdanan tayo. Ah! Yeah, be careful, Kiki.
Careful ha.
Look at Miguel. Kalahati na siya ng ano, nandun pa lang siya. Pag nandun na siya, nandun na siya. Wala malamig ng Yapa, inano niyo pa. Kaya nga, nakawala sa pa ako kasi awak ko si Kiki. Nahuli ko na sana. Oh my God!
Oh, airplane seat.
Oh, there's too much bananas there.
They're catching the fish.
They're catching the fish.
Careful,
I will
careful.
go down there and then you take picture of me. Dati ay safe mulmulag sa ilugan to.
Ini laking pektak. Muna lang idadala na mo tatlo basyang. Masipag kaya sintik. Ay, wala mo sa sakyan. Yan pasalay ini. Pasalay ito.
Pagod na si Lola.
Lola side or Come. Come.
No?
Lolo Arsing will get mad. Lolo Arsing will get mad.
Can you feel the...
Hindi, ginawa din yan. Swimming pool. I will go home now. Come on.
No diving.
Not diving.
You will go up na?
That's fish pan ako. It's not swimming pool. You cannot dive.
I like it.
You like it, but I don't like it.
Only they'll feed the fish.
I like it now.
Naman.
I will climb that one. Ate Kyla. Ate Kyla. Okay. Lagi mga kamigil. Swimming. Oh. No, it's just bubbles up. It's just milkfish. It will not hurt you. No more.
Wait.
Kunin ko yung slipper.
Ini fish. Kato sa fish.
Ay, Kiki. Yes,
Just stay there. Ha?
They're all jumping out.
Agit, dadakol.
They're all jumping. Tama. Sungap lang. Sungap. Mwak. Laki oh. Mas maunin to sa pinabal. Yes. Yes.
May kwatit.
Gigi. Sakitan sa ulo ko. Oh, cute. That's cute. Miguel, go up. Miguel.
Joel. Taga din mali talaga yan.
Ayan, taga-tapok yan. Si Miguel, taga-kamangin.
There's no fish. Later.
Later again. Siya, oo, maganda siya.
Mulat araw dito.
Okay, come on.
Nabaya pang sirahan.
Inyo ya ga. Kamu ni boleh.
Nanti. Ini Pak Polis.
Gapa yo, may bulis agad timplan la ako likila.
Ito tagto
May kalu kayo, may king kayo.
Talan ka, may agad tinimplan to. Bundisin labat. Oh. Bundisin labat. Wala nang kapatid yan. Ano daw kapatid yan? Gusto ni Ma. O yan, may Pero ano to, Masabik.
Oh my God!
Wow! I like this.
Oh my God!
I like this bangus.
I like this.
I like this one, bulasi. Okay, come.
Let's go. Come on.
There. Reclaim the bakawan, Kyla.
Nahihirapan lang mo si Papa.
Hirap na siya. Oh, enough la. At alum Lara. Hindi, si Papa ang ayaw. Si Papa ang ayaw. Taganak pa lang ang kayo. Taganak pa lang niya. Oh. Hindi yung pata na yun.
Inaanuhan niya kayo, ni? Magkabili.
Tingnan mo ni, yung picture mo, pakita mo sa kwan. Nakakita na kayo ng bangus na kwan, gumalangon sa siminto.
Pero,
Ni, may ulang mo eh, ni.
Ako, balbalag.
ay, dyan. Di ba nararawin? Ang nananapoy. Ang tatula siya kung kisunong patukis. Ilang tas tulak to kayo. Okay, ilan ng tubig ang nainom mo? Yeah, because he's catching up Miguel. Ay, Miguel, si Bear.
Where's Miguel?
Miguel is there. You need to take ibay. Ibay ka na.
Nakakita na kayo ng bangus na kwan, dumalangon sa siminto kami.